So I recently picked up this little guy here. Been watching these for a while, and I ran across a good deal. And like any item that I plan on carrying with me on a daily basis, I like to test it thoroughly before I kind of put it in my EDC rotation, I guess is what you call it. And part of that testing is, fire prep and just how reliable is it? Is it usable? And today is a perfect day to come out here and do a little testing. I'm just on a little piece of state land close to my house. Nothing spectacular. It's a great little knife, feels good, but I want to make sure I can count on it. For me, an everyday carry knife needs to be able to do your basic tasks, opening packages, doing a little cutting cordage. Also, because I spend a lot of time outdoors, I'll probably use this to clean fish, maybe clean some small game, and the occasional fire prep, making kindling and things like that. So thought I'd bring you guys along on one of my little test sessions. Stuff I normally don't film. Alright, let's get after it. Great day to be out. Great day to get off the couch and get outside. Ow! 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 Oh! Sake, who are you? Oh! Noisy. this stuff is frozen. It's the problem when everything's a little bit wet. Yeah, let's just do it the easy way. The wood is a little damper than I expected. So I was going to do some rose hip tea, but the rose hips were not very good. They just weren't very good. So we'll do some pine needle tea instead. Just as good. We're just testing the knife anyways. But we'll get this water on the boil and enjoy a little hot tea. You want to find the greenest ones you can. Wintertime, not the best pickings. But it's better than nothing. Alright, I think I got my tea hot enough to drink here. I don't really want it boiling. It's too hot, and I think it actually damages the vitamin C. So what do I think of this little ESEE CR2.5? I've heard it compared as a heavy-duty steak knife, and I think that's a pretty accurate description. It's very heavy-duty, very comfortable to use for its size. I like the size of the handle for the size of the blade. I like it quite a bit. But anyways, time will tell if I change my mind on that. This is just an initial impression. I'm going to relax, enjoy the rest of my day. See you guys in the next one.